Believe it or not, I spent 4 years on active duty in the U.S. Air Force, and I was stationed in Biloxi, Mississippi, less than a year after Katrina. It was crazy, but it was a very rewarding experience. It certainly aged me well beyond my chronological years, but it was a good experience. My name is Melissa Morrow Small, and I am the site director for the Pediatric Inpatient Hospitalist Program here at Signature Healthcare. I'm also the chief of pediatrics. A pediatric hospitalist is a pediatrician who specializes in caring for children who are in the hospital. The benefit of having a pediatric hospitalist at Signature Healthcare is that it allows pediatric patients that are ill to stay here in the community, close to their families, as opposed to having to go into Boston. Sick children often make people nervous, and I don't get nervous with sick kids. I like taking care of sick kids, and I do it well. And that's important, and I get to make a difference in a child's life. Sometimes that difference is between life and death, which sounds a little dramatic, but it's true. And so that's why I do hospitalist medicine, because there's no job that would be as satisfying and fulfilling for me as what I do every day.